Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Guidance Pro. Year after year, confident, courageous, intelligent and determined women from all over the country make it big and roar success in various fields. They make India proud with their sterling record of achievements. These 10 inspiring Indian women are role models for teaching us to look beyond gender stereotypes and paving the way to empowerment for us all. Even though there are numerous women deserving of honor in their field of excellence, we name a few famous Indian women here who have made a lasting impression on the world. Kamala Harris, known as the female Obama, first-time Senator Kamala Devi Harris has scripted history by becoming first woman, black and Indian American Vice President of the United States. As first woman elected, VP says, "While I may be the first woman in this office, I will not be the last." Roshni Sharma recently became the first Indian woman to ride a motorbike from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Roshni Sharma, an engineer by profession, loves to travel. She headed towards north from her place of origin, Kanyakumari, on her Bajaj Avenger alone. Arunima Sinha is the first female ampute to climb Mount Everest. She is also the first Indian ampute to climb the Everest. Sinha, a former national volleyball and football player. She was pushed from a running train by some robbers in 2011. As a result, her left leg had to be amputated below the knee. She got rods in the right leg and multiple fractures in spinal cord. Her aim was to climb each of the continent's highest peaks and hoist the national flag of India. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa became the first Indian woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Mother Teresa founded many missionaries of charity, a Roman Catholic religious congregation, giving her life to social work. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi became the first woman Prime Minister of India and served from 1966 to 1977. Indira Gandhi was named as the Woman of Millennium in a poll which was organized by BBC in 1999. In 1971, she became the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna Award. Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj was the first woman to score a double hundred in Test cricket. She was the first to achieve this landmark in the world. She is the recipient of several national and international awards, including the Wisden Leading Woman Cricketer in the World in 2017. She was awarded the Arjuna Award in 2003 and the Padma Shri in 2015, both by the Government of India. Durga Banerjee. Durga Banerjee was the first Indian female pilot and captain of Indian Airlines in the year 1966. As a child, while growing up, Banerjee liked planes and flying. Becoming a pilot was her passion. She was the first woman of her times to break stereotypes and venture into this field. Rita Ferrai Powell. Rita Ferrai Powell is an Indian model, doctor and beauty queen who won Miss World 1966 to become the first Asian woman to win the title. She also became the first Miss World winner to qualify as a doctor. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, the first Indian woman who reached in space as a mission specialist and a primary robotic arm operator. She went into space in 1997. Mary Kom. Mary Kom is the only woman boxer who has won a medal in each of the 6 World Championships. She was the only Indian woman boxer who qualified for the 2012 Olympics and became the first Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in Asian Games in 2014. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.